Taking over most of Metro Detroit at this point. Even looking downtown, we're starting to see some reports of rain starting to pop up on our sensors here. So rain arrives tonight, which is pretty evident now, but it's going to stay with us into your Sunday morning. That's when the bulk of it's going to be with us, and then we shift gears. Once the rain clears out, or at least settles down, that's when the winds really pick up. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour or greater will stay with us through a good chunk of Sunday, and then some chilly temperatures will move in right behind that. With the winds, it's going to produce a wind chill value in the 30s as well as the 20s. So right now we're at 45. The rain's cooling us down some. Feels like 40 when you step out there because the winds only from the southeast at 10 miles per hour right now, which isn't strong, but once again, they will pick up. Most of the rain is taking over most of Metro Detroit from Howell to Detroit over towards Windsor. If you're in Mount Clemens, you're starting to see some of the rain beginning to pick up now. A light to moderate rain from Wyandotte to Detroit, but this is going to drift up towards the northeast near St. Clair County, so get ready for that. As far as the winds are concerned, most of it's out towards the west here, gust up to say 24 miles per hour in Livingston County, but we are expecting those winds to kick up, and that's why we have a lakeshore flood warning in effect for St. Clair County. So over the next few hours, numbers will stay in the 40s. Winds will be likely for tonight. We'll see overnight lows actually climbing near 50 degrees for tomorrow morning. And into the day tomorrow, rain's going to be around, could be heavy at times, but check out the wind gust up to 60 miles per hour in spots. And that's why we have this wind advisory in effect for a good chunk of the day. So plan your day forecast scenario, a soggy start from the morning all the way through the afternoon into the evening. A high temperature of 53, but as you can see, the numbers will be falling throughout the day. And just jumping ahead into your 7-day forecast, we'll notice that those numbers they'll bounce up and down a little bit. Wind advisory for Sunday, 39 on Tuesday. We warm up to Thursday and Friday near 60. But first, we have to get through this wind advisory with power outages possible.